changing the rise and fall of the sun to experiment with a species and see like, well, do they hate it when it's perpetual dark or do they hate it when it's perpetual light? My milkweed bugs get to have some dark and some daylight too, so. Prey, predators. How many of you had prey or food? Okay, that's a biotic thing. You don't have enough of that. It can be, sometimes you might die. Or you might just be like, I'm so hungry, I can't go out and look for mates because I'm so hungry. It kind of depends on what causes it, right? Is it, cancer? And was it because you have like a genetic predisposition to cancer? Or was it because you spent too much time under tanning beds and that's how you ended up with skin cancer because of the abiotic factor of UV light that's attacking your skin cells? Like I had this conversation with somebody yesterday and we were talking about lung cancer. Cigarette smoke is an abiotic factor that causes disease. So yeah, light is an abiotic factor. I don't know that it would affect milkweed bugs' growth, but maybe. If it's something in your DNA, then it's just part of your potential. If you have a short lifespan, sucks to be you, but that's your species. That's what you got. So it's only if my lifespan is this, and I didn't make it there, why you didn't make it there is the limiting factor. This is the fun part. All right, so now I would like you to actually write down something in your notebooks. Please record this definition. This is what we're going to be talking about today, limiting factors. In a lifetime, I don't know how long that is, but 3,000 babies.
So they're definitely beating dogs.
They're definitely beating dogs. A dog's not going to have 3,000 babies, even if it lives to be 100. Where do they live? And at what frequency can they have these babies? And then draw a comparison to the other population. So, it's helpful to look at rabbits who have a shorter lifespan than your giraffes do. They can make this many babies in this time, and then you look at giraffes and say, well, dude, in the same amount of time, giraffe's not even old enough to reproduce yet. This isn't going to work. This is too slow.